What's your name?
My name is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Okay. How old are you, Ronaldo?
I'm 5 years old.
Very good. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. What color do you like, Ronaldo? What color do you like? I like. Do you like red? What color? Pink, blue? What color do you like? I like.
like red.
Wow. What animal do you like?
I like bird.
Bird? The bird? Wow, I like birds too. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Speak loudly, okay? Ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Let me get my pen. Tell me what is this?
Eat a river.
Good.
Eat
Um,
umbrella. Eat a leaf.
good.
Eat a hat.
It's
It's a mountain.
good. It's mountains. Next, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing diesel. I'm wearing jeans.
Jeans.
I'm wearing the red. I'm wearing
Boots.
boots. I'm wearing socks.
Sure. Good. Here, how's the weather?
It's windy, sunny, snowy, rainy.
Rainy. Very good. Now, what do you see? I see.
I see cloud. I see mountain. I see sky. I see rainbow.
Good job. Boom. Very good, Ronaldo. Now here, Ronaldo, tell me the sound of the word j.
Jaguar. Jellyfish. Jacket.
Juice.
Jam.
Jam. Good. What about ra sound?
Raccoon. Rocket. Robot. Rabbit.
Very good.
Rock.
Good job, Ronaldo. Very good. Now, here, commands, okay? Ready?
Yes.
Can you tell me the commands? What command is it?
Put
Umbrella.
umbrella in your bag.
Good.
Turn up the suit. Zip up the jacket.
Okay.
Put
On.
on the hat.
Very good. Here. Wow, beautiful. Can you tell me what's this? What do you see? I see a...
I see rainbow.
Very good. Tell me what color is this? What color? What color is this? Red, blue, yellow, color red. Here, what do you see?
I see cloud.
Very good. What do you see?
I see river.
Very good. What do you see?
I see tree.
I see a tree. Okay, look. The color green. What's that?
Tree.
What's that? What's that? Leaf. What's that? Leaf.
Leaf.
Okay, leaf. Good. What about this one? What animal is this? It's a
It's a rabbit.
rabbit. What's the color of the rabbit?
White.
White. Good job. Do you like rabbits?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Here, what's this?
Rock.
Rock. Good job. Give me a high five. Great job. Say goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
See you again. Say the word. See you again.
See you again.